Hello everyone, welcome to AKN Sprint Education. Myself Naveen, I am the Maths Mentor. And today's session, let us discuss about long answers questions from the chapter Trigonometry. Right? So, there are 8 more questions. Coming to question number 1, prove that root over 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta equal to sec theta minus tan theta. So if you want to get 10 out of 10, you must focus on this chapter as well as, right? So given, let us take LHS, root over 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. As the denominator is 1 plus sin theta, let us write the rationalizing factor of 1 plus sin theta. What is the rationalizing factor of 1 plus sin theta? Which is 1 minus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta. So children, what is the rationalizing factor of 1 plus sin theta? Which is 1 minus sin theta. Is it clear? Here, actually in the denominator we have plus, right? So here we need to write minus 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Right? Is it clear this step? Here in the denominator we have 1 plus sin theta. Rationalizing factor of 1 plus sin theta is 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Okay children? Now if you observe properly, as the numerators are same, 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta whole square. By, if you observe the denominator, we have 1 plus sin theta and 1 minus sin theta, which is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. What is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? That is a square minus b square. I mean 1 square minus sin square theta. Right? So square root gets cancelled. 1 minus sin theta by root over 1 square in the sense 1 minus sin square theta. Root over 1 minus sin square theta. Students, we know that we have an identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Right? So plus sin square theta you transpose. So cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. So square you transpose. Therefore cos theta equal to root over 1 minus sin square theta. Children, in the place of root over 1 minus sin square theta, I can write it as cos theta, right? So 1 minus sin theta by cos theta, right? This I can write as 1 by cos theta minus sin theta by cos theta. What is 1 by cos, children? Which is the reciprocal of sec theta. So sec theta minus sin theta by cos theta, which implies tan theta. Is it clear? Sin by cos, tan. 1 by cos, sec. So here this denominator cos theta belongs to 1. I mean 1 by cos theta. In between we have minus sin theta by cos theta. First of all 1 by cos and then sin by cos. How we got cos here? Root over 1 minus sin square theta is nothing but cos theta. Is it clear, children? Which is one of the most important question. Previously they asked this question also. That is in March, TS June 2018. This question they asked in TS June 2018. One of the most important question. Children, is it understood? This question is clear? Yes. After watching the video, you need to try to solve this problem. Okay. Now coming to second question. If cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, then prove that cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. One of the most important question. Children, each and every step after watching the video, you try to do. When you are watching the video, take out one rub book and hold your pen, try to do it. Okay children, that much important question this is. Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Okay, what is given? Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. This is our equation number 1. Write down children. Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Equation number 1. We have third identity. What is the third identity? Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Children, write down. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. That is our identity, which is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. I can write it as cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1. Did you understand, children? A in the sense cosec theta plus b in the sense cot theta. One time we should write plus, another time we have to write minus. Already they have given in the question cosec theta plus cot theta equal to what? K. I mean, in the place of cosec theta plus cot theta, I can write as k into cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1. Here k is multiplying. Transpose cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. ఇక్కడ k multiply చేస్తుంది, ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ చేస్తే డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. ఈక్వేషన్ నెంబర్ 2. ఓకేనా? Simply, if cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k, that is equation number 1. Equation number 2 ఏమైతది? ఈ 2 స్టెప్స్ మీకు కన్ఫ్యూజ్ అవుతున్నట్లయితే cosec theta ప్లస్ ప్లస్ లో మైనస్ పెడితే k బదులు 1 by k అవుతుంది. ఈ రెండు ఈక్వేషన్స్ తో మనకు వర్కౌట్ ఉండదు. First equation cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Second equation cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Okay children, these two equations clear? మనకి ఈ 2 equations చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్. Then let us add equation number 1 and equation number 2. Right? Add 1 and 2. Equation number 1 what? Cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Equation number 2 ఏంటి? Cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Okay, we are adding children here. We should not change any signs. Plus cot plus cot theta minus cot theta gets cancelled. Less or minus కొట్టుకొని చేస్తాయి. Right? So cosec theta plus cosec theta 2 cosec theta equal to k. ఇక్కడ k ఉంది and then 1 by k. Okay, nothing means what? 1 children. So 2 cosec theta equal to LCM is 1. LCM of 1 and k is k. So k into k, k square plus 1 into 1, 1. As 2 is multiplying here, transpose. So cosec theta equal to k square plus 1 by 2 into k, 2k. This is our equation number 3. Children, did you understand? Equation number 3. We are adding equation number 1 and equation number 2. Equation number 1 cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Equation number 2 cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. Okay, plus cot theta minus cot theta gets cancelled. Cosec theta plus cosec theta 2 cosec theta. K plus 1 by k. ఇక్కడ జనరల్ గా స్టూడెంట్స్ మిస్టేక్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. 1 k LCM k. K into k, k square plus 1 into 1, 1. As 2 is multiplying here, transpose k square plus 1 by 2k. Right? Now let us subtract 1 and 2. Subtract 2 from 1. Okay? Equation number 1 is cosec theta plus cot theta equal to k. Equation number 2 is cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 by k. What to do, children? We need to subtract. When we are doing subtraction, sign change it, right? Plus cosec theta becomes minus, minus cot theta becomes plus, plus 1 by k becomes minus 1 by k. ఇక్కడ జనరల్ గా స్టూడెంట్స్ మిస్టేక్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు, చేయొద్దు. ఇంకా ప్లస్ మైనస్ క్యాన్సిల్. ప్లస్ cot theta 2 cot theta. Here k minus 1 by k. ఇక్కడ చూసుకుంటే k plus 1 by k. ఇక్కడ 2 cosec theta. But here whereas here 2 cot theta. మళ్ళీ సేమ్ 2 cot theta equal to LCM k into k square minus 1 into 1 1. 2 is multiplying. So cot theta equal to k square minus 1 by 2k. This is equation number 4. Okay children, we got equation number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we will do, let us divide equation number 4, divide 4 by 3. If you observe left hand side, equation number 4 lo left hand side cot theta, equation number 3 lo left hand side cosec theta. First left hand side ni divide చేద్దాం, okay na? So cot by left hand side here cosec theta, okay na? In between we need to place equal sign children. నేను ఎట్లా రాసాను అట్లనే రాయాలి. ఇన్ జనరల్ గా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది మిస్టేక్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఆ మిస్టేక్ రిపీట్ చేయొద్దు. ఫస్ట్ లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ cot theta by left hand side cosec theta, okay na? Equal to left hand side k square minus 1 by 2k divided by here left hand side k square plus 1 by 2k. ఇన్ జనరల్ గా స్టూడెంట్స్ ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఈ ఈక్వల్ టు మొత్తం both left hand side right hand side combine చేసి రాస్తూ ఉంటారు. So we should not write like that, right? So here right hand side k square minus 1 by 2k, whereas here right hand side is k square plus 1 by 2k. Okay? So let me cancel 2k. How can we write as cot theta? We can express by cos theta by sin theta children. Again divided by cosec theta we can express as 1 by sin theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Sin theta gets cancelled. So what we got children? We got cos theta equal to k square minus 1 by k square plus 1. Okay, if you do this as per my sense, sixth sense, this year they may ask this question children in 2022 public examination. So better you practice twice or thrice or 4 times. You will get easily 8 mark. As it is they may ask question, even though they will not change the numbers also. Instead of k they may keep p or t something else, m, any variable. But this question is the one of the most important question they may ask in 2022 public examination. Okay children. Now coming to third question. So that sec theta minus tan theta whole square equal to 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. What is left hand side? Left hand side is sec theta minus tan theta whole square. Children, how can we write as sec theta? I can write as 1 by cos theta. Sec theta is the reciprocal of cos theta. How can we express as tan? Tan we can write as sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta we can express as sin theta by cos theta. What is the LCM of cos theta? Cos theta only. Okay? If denominators are same, directly we need to subtract numerators. Already in the power we have square. Is it clear children? As I took LCM cos 1 minus sin theta. Now let us apply square to both numerator as well as denominator. This I can write it as 1 minus sin theta whole square by cos square theta, because square belongs to denominator as well as. Children, we know that we have an identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. If you want cos square theta plus sin square theta, you transpose, what you will get? 1 minus sin square theta. In place of cos square theta, in the place of cos square theta, I can write as 1 minus sin square theta. Yes? So 1 minus sin theta whole square equal to, in the place of cos square theta, I can write as 1 minus sin square theta. Okay children? 1, I can write as 1 square. 1 square is nothing but 1 only. Now, which is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Here 1 minus sin theta In the numerator we have 1 minus sin theta whole square. Means 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta gets cancelled. So we have in the numerator one more 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta. Actually they are asking to prove 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta only. Yes, we got RHS. Therefore LHS equal to RHS, hence we proved. Okay children, this is also one of the most important question. Now coming to question number 4, show that cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta by cos theta equal to 2 sec theta. Okay, let us take LHS. Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. Okay, what is the LCM here? As the LCM is 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. Children, LCM is 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. So cos into cos, cos square theta plus 1 minus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta whole square. Okay na? Now cos square theta plus, which is in the form of a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a minus b whole square? A square plus b square minus 2 into a into b by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. Let it be 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. Okay children, we know we have an identity sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value how much? 1, right? Yes, 1 plus 1 square in the sense 1 minus 2 into 1 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. Right? So children, 1 plus 1 how much? 1 plus 1 2. 2 minus 2 sin theta by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. Okay, now I can take 2 as common. If I take 2 common, 2 1 jar 2 minus 2 into sin theta, 2 sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta into cos theta. 1 minus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta gets cancelled. So we got 2 by cos theta. 2 by cos theta I can write as 2 into 1 by cos theta. I can write as 2 into 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos is nothing but what children? Which is the reciprocal of sec theta. 1 by cos theta I can express as sec theta. So 2 sec theta. They are asking to show that what? 2 sec theta only. Hence we proved. Okay children? After watching the video, you need to practice. Then only you will get. Otherwise you will not get children. Okay? Which is also one of the most important sum. Now coming to question number 5. If sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to 4, then find the value of theta. What to find here? We need to find the value of theta. This is a little bit different question. Be careful children. Okay? Given sin theta by 1 minus cos theta plus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta equal to 4. That is given. Okay? Now let us take LCM of 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta is 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. Right? Now sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta into 1 minus cos theta equal to 4. Right? Any doubt children? LCM sin theta into 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta into 1 minus cos theta. Okay? Now sin theta into 1 sin theta plus sin theta into cos theta sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into 1 sin theta minus sin theta into cos theta, sin theta cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta equal to 4. Any doubt, children? Just we multiply. Okay? Plus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta gets cancelled. Sin theta plus sin theta 2 sin theta by a minus b into a plus b. I mean 1 square. Here only we can write. See children, instead of writing this 1 into 1 1, I mean a minus b into a plus b. A square minus b square. I mean 1 square minus cos square theta. 1 square in the sense 1 minus cos square theta means how much? 1 minus cos square theta I can write as sin square theta, which is equal to 4. Right? Here sin theta, 1 sin theta gets cancelled. So I can write as 2 by sin theta equal to 4. Okay children? So let us do cross multiplication. 2 equal to 4 into sin theta. 4 is multiplying, transpose 2 by 4 equal to sin theta. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. So 1 by 2 equal to sin theta. Children, 1 by 2, which is the sin 30 value. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. So as sin gets cancelled, so what is the value of theta? As the value of theta is 30 degrees. Which is, do this or try this sums, which is there in your textbook also. Which is also one of the most important question. This question they asked in TS June 2016. TS June 2016 they asked this question. Children, so far whatever we have discussed, these all are important questions only. Okay children. So I think very clear to you. Don't forget to hit subscribe button, like it and share it with your friend children. Thank you.